Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope everybody are doing good and staying safe. So what can you expect from this video? In this video I'll be talking about AIIMS Rishikesh Masters in Public Health program. How many seats are available for Masters in Public Health program every year? What is the eligibility criteria for Masters in Public Health program? What is the fee structure? What is the entrance exam syllabus and what is the mode of entrance exam? All that I'll be talking in this video in detail. If you are a student who is interested in Masters in Public Health, watch this video till the end. It will definitely help you out. So let's start today's video with the eligibility criteria. Medical degrees such as MBBS, Dental Sciences, Ayush or any other alternative system of medicine in India are eligible. Apart from medical degrees, here this is very bonus point to all the students who is interested to study non-medical bachelor's degree in any stream are eligible. Just you have to have your bachelor's degree. It might be of any stream. It might be law, engineering or it might be any other group. You are eligible to apply in AIIMS Rishikesh. This is very bonus point. Only very few government institute accept like any bachelor's degree. One more thing, in sponsored category, I told you many times what is sponsored category. I'm not emphasizing what is sponsored category in this video. Coming to AIIMS Rishikesh sponsored category, MBBS, BDS or Ayush or health science degree with 3 years experience. Either the candidate should be working in AIIMS Rishikesh or any other government institute are eligible to apply under sponsored category. One very important note to MBBS students: candidates who have obtained their MBBS degree from a medical college not recognized by MCI of India are not eligible. Your MBBS degree should be recognized by MCI of India. Make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. Any degree is acceptable. There is one important note to MBBS students. That's it. Coming to number of seats for Masters in Public Health program, see they have distributed seats according to category wise. Total number of seats are 15. For unreserved category it's 6. For OBC category it's 3. For SC category it's 2. For ST category it's 1. For economically weaker section it's 1. For sponsored category it's 2. One important note I would like to add to all students: kindly when you are submitting application form, cross-check your category whether you have marked it correctly or not. Suppose let's take an example. A student belongs to EWS category and he have marked it in unreserved. So after the results are out, you want to change it to EWS category. They will not entertain in changing to a category after results are out. So if you belong to any category, it might be SC, ST, OBC or sponsored or unreserved or OBC. Whichever category you belong, kindly select the category properly. Coming to fee structure for Masters in Public Health at AIIMS Rishikesh, it's around 35,000 per semester. So Masters in Public Health program is a 2 years program. You will have 4 semesters. First year you will have 2, second year you will have 2. So totally it's around 1,40,000 for 2 years. For international students it's around $3,000 US. So coming to how do they select candidates for Masters in Public Health program, it is of 2 stages. First stage you will have a computer based written test. Second stage is personal interview. Once a student clears both stages, then he will be admitted to Masters in Public Health program. So coming to entrance exam syllabus and pattern, there will be a computer based online entrance exam which consists of 200 MCQs. One more bonus point is that there is no negative marking, so that students can mark all the answers. Coming to entrance exam syllabus, mostly they'll ask you from preventive and social medicine, general English, all that. I'll soon make an in detail video of entrance exam syllabus. So many questions you can expect from preventive and social medicine. So in my channel there are revision series for preventive and social medicine. Like you can expect n number of questions from preventive and social medicine. All the questions I have picked up from previous year's question papers only, so that you can have a look and it will help you out. If you haven't watched it, I'll drop the link in the description. Kindly check out that. This is their official website. You can go to this particular website when the notification is out and you can apply in that website. Any doubts, feel free to comment. This is my Insta ID medseekers9. I'll be posting all the public health related updates. It will help you to enhance your educational skills and professional skills also. And sometimes you can expect in your exam they'll ask you recent public health updates. So you should know all the public health updates. So if you are interested, you can follow me on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful and informative for you. If it's been helpful and informative, do hit that like button and share it with your friends who are interested in Masters in Public Health program. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care, stay safe, stay home.